Hello everyone and welcome back. Trying to build a data app in Python, two tools keep coming up, Plotly Dash and Streamlit. But which one should you use? Let's break it down. Both let you build web apps without being a web developer. Streamlit is a newer, simpler option. You write plain Python and it turns into a web app. Dash has been around longer and it gives you more control, but it's more complex. Streamlit wins hands down for beginners. It feels like writing a regular Python script, no HTML, no CSS, no callbacks. Just write your code top to bottom and you're done. Dash needs more setup. You define layouts with HTML-like components and connect things like callbacks. It's not hard, but there's definitely a learning curve. Here's where Dash shines. Want a specific design, custom branding, complex layouts? Dash gives you total control. It's built on React, so you can make it look exactly how you want. Streamlit is more limited. You get a clean, nice-looking app, but you can't change everything. Think of it like this. Streamlit gives you a beautiful template. Dash gives you a blank canvas. For small apps, both work fine, but when things get bigger, Dash handles it better. Streamlit reruns your whole script every time someone clicks a button. That can slow things down with large data. Dash only updates what needs updating, making it better for heavy apps. Use Streamlit if you need something fast, quick demos, prototypes, or internal tools. It's perfect when you want to show your boss an idea today. Use Dash for serious production apps, enterprise dashboards, apps with lots of users, or anything that needs custom design. Both are great tools. Streamlit gets you running in minutes. Dash gives you power and control. Pick based on your needs, not what's trendy. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.